Event, and we got a pie eating contest, which is sponsored by Ponchos and Lefties. They donate to all ties, and those are pretty good pies. We've been doing this just about every year since 2005. You can use both hands, and try not to leave too much on the table. After this contest, we're going to have another one with the high school football team. All right. So, are you guys ready? Let's get bibs on. First of all, let's introduce the contestants. Three-time winner and defending champ. Go ahead. Say who you are.
John Bowman.
Go. Everybody's ready? Go whenever you're ready. Start. 1 minute left. 1 minute. Go. All right.
15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Dump it on the ground. Dump it on the ground.
Ones. Okay, so it sounds like the winner is John Bauman, defending champ, keep his reign. Wow. Will that be on Sports Center? Yeah. He's going to announce on ESPN tonight. That was fun.